Welcome to the WION podcast, where we explore fascinating stories and ideas from various fields. In this episode, we explore a startling new idea that extraterrestrials aren't chasing Earth because they simply got bored, as our planet, according to a NASA scientist, holds no real cosmic appeal. Scientists have been looking for aliens for decades, and yet we have never been able to find them. A NASA scientist has proposed a theory which explains why we have never found another civilization in the universe, and also why they have not reached out to us yet. According to the Drake equation, several other civilizations are residing near Earth and are capable of contacting us. It states there is a high chance of coming into contact with intelligent life. However, this has still not happened. Dr. Robin Corbett, based at NASA's Goddard Space Flight Center, has claimed that the Milky Way hosts a decent number of extraterrestrial civilizations. But the problem is that their technological advancements are on a scale similar to humans. A new paper titled "A Less Terrifying Universe: Mundanity as an Explanation for the Fermi Paradox" looks at reasons for why there is a lack of evidence of extraterrestrial civilizations, ETCs, in the galaxy who use technology, also called the Fermi Paradox. Corbett writes that their technology is limited, just like ours, which is why neither civilization can detect the other. Also, there is a chance that they are just not interested in contacting us. He wrote that none have achieved technology levels sufficient to accomplish large-scale astroengineering or lack the desire to do so. If there were such a technologically advanced civilization out there, it would have sent out powerful beacons. But that hasn't happened, so they are just as inferior to us in technology. This lack of interest stems from the fact that their technology is also not so advanced that they could cut down on the response time from another civilization. Besides, ETCs would need to send out high-power beacons or probes to contact other civilizations. But this requires a huge amount of power and a wait time of millions or even billions of years for a response. This has possibly led them to give up on finding another living civilization, since the technology and the resources do not permit that to happen. Corbett also thinks that, considering there are a reasonable number of ETCs in the universe, Earth would hold little appeal to them, and is not likely to be a very interesting place to visit. The lack of interest in Earth and boredom mean that we are not likely to face an alien attack, probably ever. This consideration also leads to the expectation that no ETC will colonize a large fraction of the galaxy, even using robotic probes, and that there are no long-duration high-power beacons, he wrote. However, there is still a likelihood of a much more advanced world that is simply too advanced for humanity to detect and knowingly stays away from us. Thanks for tuning into this incredible story. If this episode resonated with you, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button for more captivating stories to come. Stay tuned.